There is a generation of Africans in boardrooms, in classrooms, in communities of faith who are living inside the technological innovation. They were never given the language to navigate. Artificial intelligence is not arriving. It's already here. And the question is no longer whether Africa will engage it, but whether Africa will engage it wisely. My name is Tolulope Oyejide. I'm the founder of Tolulope Oyejide Limited, and this is what we are building. Every week, African business leaders, school principals, teachers, and young people encounter AI in their tools, in their field, in their industry. But most encounter AI without a framework. What Africa need is more than the AI app. Africa need AI discernment, the ability to understand the times and know what to do.
Tolulope Oyejide Limited has developed an integrated AI literacy ecosystem built specifically for Africa. 3 layers, 1 mission. We began where every conversation about AI must begin with honesty. The good, the bad, and the ugly. No hype, no fear-mongering, just clarity. Because AI literacy without career application is just theory, we showed aspiring professionals exactly how AI can reclaim hours. At Dallas College in Utah, with students from Dallas Covenant University Secondary and the Bell School, we brought this conversation into the next generation. Young people whose career will be shaped entirely by AI. They left with questions, good questions. That is how transformation begins.
At First Tabernacle, we introduced the Insaka framework, the biblical model of a people who understand their time and knew what their community must do. AI literacy is not just a professional skill, it is a communal responsibility. Our faith community are some of the most powerful vectors for change on this continent. For the Executive Management Committee of Avon HMO, we delivered Architecting the Future, a practical guide to a responsible AI adoption for healthcare leaders. These were not beginners, they were seasoned executives who needed a framework that respects both their intelligence and their sector unique stakes. We built that bridge. And at Holy Fire Presence Mission, we continue the conversation with a community anchored in purpose, exploring how career and business advancement in the age of AI is not separate from their calling. It is an expression of it. And this is only the beginning. We are building towards something specific: AI application development program in African secondary schools, AI literacy workshop for teachers and school leaders, a professional community reaching across borders. And this is not because AI is a trend, but because a generation of Africans need to enter this AI era as an architect, not as passengers. The sons of Insaka understood the times. They knew what their people must do. That is the spirit driving this work. Tolulope Oyejide Limited, we are building Africa AI ready generation.